Welcome everyone in second part of our seminary about Content Manager System Wagtail. In this video we will installing Wagtail on Windows operating system. Next, we will be using a virtual environment to install Wagtail and creating a project. For code editing, we will use Visual Studio Code. Let's start from showing few steps which we should do before we start coding to avoid problem. The biggest problem developing Wagtail is installing a package pillow that is used to pre-process images. It needs a few dependencies which are sometimes tricky to install. To avoid this problem we can use Docker for deployment, which gives us an isolated Linux environment where everything is installed smoothly. Learning how to install a pillow with dependencies can be a good choice. It will give a small disadvantage at the beginning of our journey with Python, but in the future, it will save us a lot of time and frustration installing many popular frameworks and packages in the Python environment. Useful information can be found in my Medium articles. The first is titled Installation Python Package Pillow on Windows and the second one is Installation Pillow macOS. When we have problem with Pillow package solved, and read some information about installation, let's dive deeper into Visual Studio Code and see how install virtual environment. In the video we can see command python mvenv which will create folder, venv in root directory and files used to create it. All packages used by this project will be installed into this environment and store in this directory to have all components of our project in one place. This will keep clear our file system separate from our project and making changes with packages easy to do and check. In the next video we can see how to activate virtual environment and how look like terminal with virtual environment activate. Before active cursor we can see environment name with brackets. The command to activate virtual environment is source venv/scripts/activate in Windows and source venv/bin/activate on Linux. These are the first steps to preparing a project and start working with Wagtail. Sometimes not easy for beginners and sometimes weird errors can appear, but the best solution for all problems is to check everything twice and have documentation open in the browser. There are many forums and Slack channels where you can ask people for help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.